Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Firdaus Sahel. In this video with Affinity, I'm going to show you something simple and useful, which is called alignment. So for alignment, we need to draw a shape. So I'm going to click here to draw my rectangle shape. To align this, we need to get the move tool and right click. So here we have all the alignment, which is left, center, right, top, middle, and bottom. Let's try with the first one, which is left. Right click again. The next one, center. The next, right, top, middle, and bottom. So this is how we can use this alignment with Affinity. So hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial and learned. And if you have any question, please let me know in the comment box of this video. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and also subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching and supporting my videos. Goodbye and take care.